Today I'm going to be reviewing Edew 1080p webcam with microphone and wide angle. This is what it looks like. I'm going to hook it up. One thing I really like, these are not expensive at all to put on, and it doesn't feel very substantial at all. But look, you can cover the camera. It's such an easy thing to do. You see they had to put the little notch in there. Let's go ahead and hook this up and see what an inexpensive camera can do, because this is really affordable. Let's see if it does better than my webcam on my laptop. All right, so I'm just going to show you quickly. This is a very inexpensive webcam. I can tell you it's way better than my gaming laptop. I mean, I've got an Omen 16, like a $1,500 laptop. So although inexpensive, I mean, this looks much better. The one that I have is very grainy. So, I mean, if you're looking for something inexpensive and you don't have a great camera, this will do it. You know, are you going to be, live streaming onto YouTube with this? Maybe not, but just a regular person or even just for meetings. Yeah, it looks pretty good. One last thing I wanted to show you. This piece, you can adjust. It's very loose, so not an issue now. I don't know if over time that will be an issue. Honestly, and it rotates however you want to do it. I'm pretty impressed with this. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.